a bustling west coast seaport in British Columbia, which is among Canada's most densest and ethnically diverse cities. Being ranked one of the most livable cities in the world for more than a decade makes Vancouver an attractive destination for international students. The essence of this city lies with the people who believe in the idea of succeeding together, which is important for all aspiring professionals. With this objective, a group of students get together as part of a team project to show you the importance of working in teams for a smooth transition into the professional world. What's surprising to see is their way of taking up the challenge of working in a team, not in person, but only virtually.
We have been given a group project to explain the importance of working in team.
But the very next day, BC declared a state of emergency because of the outbreak of coronavirus.
The government pleads that every individual not part of essential services of Vancouver self-isolate immediately to restrict the spread of the virus.
We took on the challenge to work in a team to get this project done, exactly what most businesses are currently doing.
I think the best way to go about with this project is through video chat.
Oh yeah. I love that idea. We can do that.
That sounds good. But what should our topic be?
Everyone was eagerly excited to work on the challenge and work together to deliver the video basis the objective of the project. Well, which is how ideally a team is supposed to function.
So I think we should highlight the main characteristics of teamwork,
Which are trust, support, confidence in each other, conflict resolution, and motivation.
How do we bring out the negative points of working in a team, the dysfunctions of the team?
Oh no, I think I totally agree with Jasmine. The characteristics are what make up a team.
Yeah, I think the dysfunctions we can highlight separately later.
Everyone seemed super pumped while giving their inputs and having a healthy discussion in the project, which is exactly what a good team is supposed to do. This makes me trust my team members knowing we are all on the same page.
Sometimes I feel that it's difficult to support an idea that you don't believe in, but I surely respect the other opinions and I'm very open to discuss about it.
The moment we started discussing the next day, I realized that something's missing.
Hi guys!
Hi!
Hi guys. What's the agenda for today?
Or rather someone. Where's Prince?
Can somebody please call Prince? I don't see him.
Oh, I'll try. Just give me a moment.
We tried getting in touch with him, but
We realized that the show needs to go on, so we continue our discussions that have been left off the previous day.
So we can shoot this way and then I'll do the editing also.
Yeah, and I can write the script.
Oh yeah. I think you do a good job in writing the script of things, and I can help you with that. And I have some knowledge, so I guess I can give some advice or some input.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'd love that. Yeah.
in the course of the project, I realized that Casey has a very special quality of giving great feedback and was a strong team player.
In the team, we have complementing strengths, and we use that to our advantage. I was a filmmaker, so I took up the technical aspect of shooting this project. Jasmine, on the other hand, wanted to learn something new, so she took up writing the script. While Casey stepped up to give her support in that aspect, she knowing that it's one of her strengths.
So it'll just fell in place with us working with our strengths and supporting each other in any way possible and complementing efforts. I think it's made all of that made us a strong team.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Is Prince joining today?
I don't see him. Wait, I will call him.
Okay.
And as we expected, there was no answer. So we tried to call him.
Hey bro, where are you? Are you joining the call right now?
Yeah, no, actually I'm at work.
So when can we speak as a team?
I will be home at 11 p.m. today.
Okay. Then I think I'll schedule a meeting with the team at 11 just for you. Is that fine?
Sometimes people are more comfortable working with the people whom they trust. It is possible for them to take longer to trust a new lot. We were helping Prince get out of the hole and pulling him in because honestly, we could surely use another hand in this team project.
We waited for a while after 11 p.m. and we finally did a call at around 11:30 p.m.
Oh, आप आ गए, Prince?
Yeah, sorry, I was busy. Both khantaj, both. Yeah. Hey, Casey, how are you?
Hey, where are you? I was calling you.
Yeah, I was driving. That's why I didn't pick up your call. Yeah, but I'm here now.
Okay, now that you're here, Jasmine, do you want to explain everything that we've discussed so far, like to bring him in line with us?
Yeah, sure, I can do that.
It sometimes is irritating when you have a responsibility and you don't show up. It's even more disrespectful to your group members.
Yeah, I have a lot of pressure at home, work, the current situation that is outside. I come back to the team only to find myself under even more pressure.
Okay, so me and Jasmine have worked a bit on the script, so I hope you guys all read it. Did you get it?
Yeah. I did comment on a few changes to be made in it, and based on the content and keeping in mind the technical aspect of planning, I think Jasmine has incorporated the same.
Yeah, I also went through the script. I thought that the pointers we are using are not really portraying the objective of the project.
Can you be more like specific? Because I don't get what you mean.
I think it needs more detailing and a whole revamp to the script. Currently, it's not that hard hitting.
Would you want to write it?
No, I don't mean that way, but it really can be better.
Casey,
No, you write it when I will wait for you till like 11:30 p.m. tomorrow because you always busy. I don't know.
Wait, what do you mean? You know, I'm done with this. Do it by yourself.
Prince,
What? Did I say something wrong? Like, why?
These things happen in teams. It's probably part of building a team.
okay, so guys, let's call it a day and resume tomorrow at 12:30. Is that okay?
Okay, so Vinalan, you call him this time. I'm not calling him. Okay?
I can see all the characteristics of a team actually playing out on a VC. Trust, complementing efforts, having each other's back, and now I think it's time for conflict resolution.
Yeah, I spoke to Vililan at length and I found a bro in him. He's a great guy and actually understood my problem and my situation. He's basically a listener.
Jasmine has been speaking to me since last night post the call. Like she always know how to comforting me, and like I feel so relieved and comfortable to have someone, like to talk to and to like understand what I'm like saying, what I'm thinking.
It's basically how in a team you need to listen, understand, motivate, and pick your team members up the moment you see them breaking away. That's the only way you can keep a team together.
If I wouldn't have spoken to Casey, we would probably just have 3 members in the team, or maybe 2. Resolving conflict can only happen when someone lowers their ego, becomes an empathizer, and rises to the challenge in stitching back the team together.
Prince, good to see you.
Yeah. Hi, guys. Sorry, Casey, I was just overwhelmed with everything around me.
Oh,
It happens like you fall off track once in a while and getting back on track. I know it's maybe like challenging and but it's surely not that difficult, and to be honest, I love this team.
Each individual person worked together in accordance with their strengths, and this is what makes us a team.
So what makes working in teams easy and effective? Trust, complementing efforts, having your teammates back in difficult times, and tackling conflicts.
Working in teams is just going to be much easier for us once we step out of the professional world. This team has surely made me learn a lot.
I really learned a lot from you guys. Like, I haven't imagined that I would tell it to you guys right now, really. And I definitely wanna, thank you guys or like Jan for randomly selecting that team,
Choosing us.
like organize that team, like choosing us to be a team.